Hello.
Hi and welcome to InstaForex TV channel. The economic news will be presented by us, Takhmina Salomova
And Anna Kasatkina.
You're watching the overview of the currency and commodity markets for the last week.
What currencies did investors favor?
By the end of Friday's trading, the US dollar fell against the basket of other major currencies.
And what hindered the greenback's drop?
The US dollar plummeted after November's non-farm payrolls data surprised on the downside and after the report showed wage momentum waning during the recent month. The US dollar index gave up earlier gains and was quoted lower at 96.55 following the release. The US economy created just 155,000 new jobs during November, down from 250,000 previously, when consensus had been for an increase of 198,000. The unemployment rate held steady at 3.7%. Wages rose at a monthly pace of 0.2% in November. It was below the 0.3% anticipated by the market, and this left the annualized pace of pay growth steady at 3.1%. Traders quickly marked down the dollar on Friday, being worried about the possibility that the US Federal Reserve might go slow on interest rate hikes next year. The pound-dollar rate was lower at 1.2729 after a brief rally, while the euro-dollar pair was higher at 1.1379 after a similar spike. In crypto trades, cryptocurrencies continued their epic slide with a fresh bout of losses on Friday after the SEC dashed hopes that a Bitcoin exchange-traded fund would appear before the end of this year. Bitcoin, the largest digital currency, slumped as much as 10%, taking it down past $3,250 mark to the lowest level since September 2017. Smaller rivals, including Ethereum, Litecoin and XRP, were hit even harder. And that's all about the movements in the forex market. And what trends were seen in commodity markets last week?
In the oil market, prices ended in the green on Friday.
So what fueled the rally?
Oil futures climbed on Friday as members of the Organization of the Petroleum Exporting Countries and their allies reached an agreement to curb production starting in January. That helped to lift prices up by more than 3% for the week. February Brent crude futures rose by $1.61 or 2.7% to finish at $61.67 a barrel. It was up by 3.7% for the week. West Texas Intermediate crude for January delivery rose by $1.12 or 2.2% to settle at $52.61 a barrel. The contract closed with a 3.3% weekly gain. Meanwhile, gold prices hit a 5-month peak on Friday as the dollar slid following weaker than expected US jobs data. Spot gold was up at $1,248.28 per ounce, having hit $1,245.60 per ounce earlier in the day, its high since July 13th. The metal posted a rise of nearly 1.7% last week. US gold futures settled at $1,252.60 per ounce.
Takhmina, thank you for the review of the commodity market. You've watched the weekly review of foreign exchange and commodity markets on InstaForex TV channel.
With us, Anna Kasatkina
and Takhmina Salomova.
Good luck and goodbye.
See you soon.